What if the Inca Empire had European technology when Pizarro arrived in 1532? Imagine if Pacific traders had brought horses and steel to South America centuries earlier. When Spanish conquistadors landed, they would have faced something terrifying. Inca cavalry charging down mountain slopes, wielding steel weapons that matched their own. The famous ambush at Cajamarca would have ended very differently. Instead of capturing Atahualpa, Pizarro's men would have been slaughtered. Decades of gradual disease exposure meant smallpox couldn't devastate the population. The unified Inca Empire would have expanded across both continents. Their advanced road networks would connect massive cities from Alaska to Chile. Inca naval expeditions might have reached Asia, establishing their own trade routes. Europe would have encountered a powerful indigenous American superpower. Instead of easy colonization, they'd face organized resistance with equal technology. Global trade would flow through Cusco, not London or Madrid. One technological advantage could have changed the entire course of world history.